Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Andrea and this is Beauty with Andie. So I wasn't going to be doing an eyeshadow look today, but I want to use, I've got two of these, so I've got Yellow Tails and Mint Myth. So Mint Myth has only just arrived, but this one I've had a couple of weeks. Okay, so I wasn't going to do this video just purely because I'm supposed to be I'm doing the 7 days, 7 looks, 7 palettes that Pretty Random asked me, well, that Pretty Random chose for me, and I'm kind of cutting into that. Today should have been day 5, look 5, but I've been going through my favourites of 2020, and this is a definite contender. Well, not a contender, it's a favourite. Absolutely love it. I'm so glad I got it. I held off for so long. Not thinking I needed it in my collection, but guys, look at it, it's absolutely beautiful. So today I want to use this, I want to use it all over the lid and into the crease, and the reason why I want to do that is I got one of these, I don't know, I got one of these Stila White Lies. This one is in Yellow Tails. Probably be about 3 weeks before Christmas now, something like that, and I have fallen head over heels in love with it. I know it's only a glitter, but yeah, it's absolutely stunning. So nice. So yeah, it looks like that. So they're not glitter and glows, they're something completely separate. It's a white, like a white liquid, and it changes to a different colour, so it's a duochrome. This one changes to yellow, whereas this new one that came yesterday, which I want to try on camera now with you guys, is white again, and it changes into mint. So same packaging, and then that's what it looks like, and it's got like a mint colour here, so you can distinguish them apart. But for now I'm leaving them in the packets. So that's what I want to do. It's only going to be a very quick look. What do I want to do? Do I want to set it with anything? I do want to set it, but they don't have any shades there I can set it with. What about... Right, so this Too Faced chocolate bar was in Project Pan. Still in Project Pan because it doesn't end till the end of January. It's not gone as well as I wanted it to, but with my collection, did I really expect it to go any better? So yeah, we're just going to set the eyeshadow base. And what I'm going to do is I'm not going to pull a palette for a Project Pan this year. I just want to concentrate on the palettes that are in my collection, give them equal love, and that's why I'm asking Pretty Random to choose 5 eyeshadows and I'll choose 2. So then we're always going to pull 7 eyeshadows a week. I know it's really extreme and you can only do 1 eyeshadow with each palette, but you can always leave it in. You can always leave 1 or 2 palettes in for another rotation and do more looks with the palettes in that week. So yeah, this was one of the eyeshadow palettes that Pretty Random chose for me. If you've not seen it, if you've not seen what Pretty Random chose, I will leave it in the card so you can go and check it out. Right, so we've just set it, so we've just set the base, and now what I'm going to do is go in with my Real Techniques fluffy brush. I'm just putting it through the colour switch, and like I said, I want to go in with haze all over up into the brow bone, and then we're going to put some of that Stila on. Wow, it's pigmented. So really the purpose of this video is just testing. It's just testing the Stila. Right, let's get back to it. I've just charged the external light, and all I've done was put on this haze shade here, and then the light went. So let me find this brush. Okay, so while I was waiting, I straightened my hair a little bit so it didn't look as much of a mess, so you will notice the difference on that. And this mint green shade is a really nice mint green. This isn't the focus of the eye. The Stila shaders. Right, so we'll just leave it like that for now. And it's called Mint Myth. Bit of a tongue twister when you've had a few. So in these you get 4.5ml, and I'll read you what it says on the back of the box. It says the benefits: magically transformative liquid eyeshadow begins in a veil of white, then transforms into the prettiest of pastels. Luminescent pearls and varying shimmer particle sizes creates a colour shifting megawatt finish, long wearing formula with minimal fallout. So I don't know what to do. I don't know whether to put it onto the eye. Let's try and put it on the finger. Oh, that looks nice over the top of that eyeshadow. See, I don't want to contaminate it with eyeshadow. If I didn't have anything on, like if I didn't have an eyeshadow on, then I would do it, but let's see if I've got a brush I can do this with. Okay, so I'm just going to go in with my accent brush on the tip. Keep having to stop the camera to blow my nose. It's really sniffly today. It's definitely building up, but they are pretty sheer, or this one is. I watched someone's video and she had like 4 or 5 of these, and she said the best one out of these is Yellowtails, which I've got, and I completely agree with her. But that's what it looks like. That is absolutely stunning. So you can barely see it on this eye, so it is better going in with your finger first off. And then when you've got enough on, I don't really see a problem in just tapping a little bit on where you want it. So let's and then just blend it out. Oh, I really like that. See, I like that more than the other one that I've got, Yellowtails. It's like a yellowy gold. I like that more than this. Well, more than that one. I'll show you that's the kind of shade that one is. I've done swatches on these on what I got from my Stila haul, so I'll link it so you can see what it looks like. But yeah, I like that more. I just need to blend. Yeah, I only wanted it to be a very simple look, and the eyelid shade would be the focus, which is what I wanted. I just want to put a little bit more of that white chocolate shade on the brow bone. Right, and now what are we going to use for the lash line? Really, there's only one shade we can use, which is that mint green. So the haze shade. The only other option really was to leave it and go in with like a cream pencil to make the eyes look wide awake. Wow. I actually like it like that. It feels like a really winter eye look. And then I think I'm going to use, I was going to use the other Stila one, but I think it's too golden. So I feel like I want to use Super Moon in here. The only thing I don't like is it's really, really clumpy. It's the worst eyeshadow in the palette. I've noticed it's alright when you're kind of tapping it off. And I want some more of this mint mist shade on the centre of the eye. I think that's going to be a favourite. Yeah, I definitely like that more than the other one. So I'll definitely get a lot of use out of these two shades over the next year. You've got a year to use them, so yeah, spoiler, they will be, you'll see them in my upcoming favourites video. Right, so now then, eyeliner. Don't know where my other one's got to. So we'll use the Ted Baker one. And then mascara. So we're using the Essence I Heart Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara. I'm really, really enjoying this at the minute. You can quite easily put 2 to 3 coats on without it becoming crazy, like without it looking like your eyelashes are sticking to one another. So that's what I like about it. I'll probably get this one again. I didn't like the brush at first, but I actually quite like it now. Right, so I'll leave that. I'll put the lipstick on. So the lipstick of today's choice is this one. I don't know if it's going to go with a look, but I've not used it in a while. It's the Laura Geller 50 Kisses Lip Blocking Liquid Colour, and I've tried to choose, like the look that I'm wearing today, I've tried to choose everything that's going to be in my favourites of 2020. And new products of 2020 as well, and this one was new. It's in the shade Chocolate Kiss. Mascara's gone down here now, so we'll have to kind of move that in a second when it's dry. So I'm gonna zoom out. Can you see I've straightened my hair a little bit? The thing is with my hair, when I wash it the very next day, it doesn't look great, so it's got like kinks in it, even though I've actually tried, well, I've not tried to straighten it, I have straightened it. So hopefully tomorrow it will be a little bit better. I forgot to rub the oil off. I think it looks quite nice. Let's do another coat of the mascara. It really just gives you the look of having false lashes, which I absolutely adore. And it doesn't clump, which is the word I was trying to find before. Right, what I've noticed is this eye needs a little bit more of this glitter, and it did go on better with the fingers, so just for reference, it does go on better with your fingers. So I kind of just put it on that finger, and then with the other finger get all the product, and then here just seems kind of patchy there. I think what I'll do is don't spread it, and I'll let it dry naturally. The other eye's fine, but yeah, I absolutely adore these little glitters here. I don't know why I held off for so long. I did hold off for a very long time. They're expensive, aren't they, guys? They're like £24. I didn't pay £24 for mine. I got them in the sale. I think the first one I paid about £7 for, and that one was from Fashion World. It's a catalogue in the UK. I saw that and I just ordered it from them, and then I got the other one from Stila's website, and I think that was £9 with postage. It worked out £12 or £13. I was going to get two of them, but I decided just to get the Mint Miff one. But now I'm kind of kicking myself thinking, why didn't you just get two? So if it's still there later on in the month, I'll probably get the other one. It's a great price, but I wouldn't pay £24 for one single glitter eyeshadow like that, because you do only have 12 months to use it, and then it goes bad. As far as the lipstick is concerned, a lighter shade would probably have done, but at the end of the day I still wanted to see if I really love this lipstick, because it is going into my 2020 favourites. I do like it, maybe a lighter colour in the centre, but I don't want to ruin the actual look. Maybe something like Max Velvet Teddy just in the centre, but I don't actually want to ruin it, so I'm not gonna put that on. But yeah, guys, this concludes the look. So this is what we're looking like. So let me know what you think of the Stila White Lies. Are these Stila? So let me know, yeah. Let me know what you think of the Stila Little White Lies if you've tried them, or even the Glitter and Glows. I would love to know what you think. Are they worth the money? Are they worth the hype? Please leave me a comment down below as usual, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.